And it's a big day in the courts across the country. Two big Gyanvapi verdicts are possibly expected today. And this is with regard to, remember, the ongoing tussle on the Gyanvapi-Kashi-Vishwanath issue. The Muslim side has demanded a ban on the worship in the basement for the next 15 days. The basement is the Vyas Ji Ka Tehkana, which had been opened for the prayers as per court order, as per the local district court order for the Hindu side. But the Muslim side has now demanded a ban on the worship in the basement for 15 days. There is a hearing in the High Court today in the same case. On the orders of the court, remember, on 31st January is when the doors of the Vyas Ji Ka Tehkana was opened. Hearing also is on the demand for the Archaeological Survey of India survey on other basements that remain closed in the Gyanvapi premises. Petitioners have said that they want the ASI survey of other basements as well that have been kept closed in the premises. All right, so that's the big news. Remember, for Gyanvapi issue, there are different kind of petitions from the district court to the Allahabad High Court to the Supreme Court as well going on. Now the petitioners, specifically from the Muslim side, have moved to say, why can we hold the worshipping at least for the next 15 days, because there are constant other hearings going on. On that, there is a likely hearing expected in the High Court as well. Samarth Srivastav joins me on this. Samarth, this is going to be an important one, because while the district court had given the clearance for the opening of the Vyas Ji Ka Tehkana, why has the Muslim side said close it for the next 15 days?
Well, exactly, Pooja. This hearing is going to be very crucial, as we saw what happened in the Allahabad High Court. That particular hearing regarding that Tehkana is still on, and dates have been transferred. But now to two important hearings today in the District Court of Varanasi. Number one, where Hindu side is demanding that ASI survey of other tehkanas, other sellers in the Gyanvapi mosque, just like the Vyas Ji Ka Tehkana. Number two, by the Muslim side, which is demanding a 15-day stoppage to the puja that is happening in the southern cellar. That means the Vyas Ji Ka Tehkana. Though there are not much claims, not much proofs have been given by the Muslim side, either in the Allahabad High Court or in the District Court of Varanasi. So it's going to be quite difficult for the Muslim side to prove that puja never happened there. While Hindu side has kept on claiming that act of worship act doesn't imply here, because puja was happening even before 1991. So this act doesn't amplify here, and that's being the logic for the Hindu side. But it's going to be very crucial, because this was the only bench, the district court of Varanasi, which allowed the puja, which ordered the district magistrate to do preparations within 7 days. So whether the same court will allow the ASI survey of different tehkanas of Gyanvapi, it's going to be very crucial, because if this happens, then that will be the massive win for the Hindu side, because that has been claiming that in various cellars of Gyanvapi, puja happened since decades, while the Muslim side is demanding
what the courts will decide on that could also pave the way forward of how these petitions are being heard in the court as well of the Gyanvapi premises. Right now, one of the big verdict and the order expected will be on the Vyas Ji Ka Tehkana, the basement that was recently opened on court order.